Hi, I'm Miss Kristen of the Oosterhout Free Library. Do you have a favorite animal that you think is the cutest? Have you ever thought about what makes certain animals cute? Now, of course, we all know that cute kitties and playful puppies are adorable and cute. But there's a whole world full of cute animals out there. And today I'm going to share with you some lesser known animals that are cute and maybe a little bit weird. And then we're going to talk about the science of being cute and what makes an animal to be considered cute. We'll also find out how being cute might actually help an animal. I'm going to share the book, Cute as an Axolotl, which is this guy right here, Discovering the World's Most Adorable Animals. So let's get started.
Cute as an Axolotl, Discovering the World's Most Adorable Animals by Jess Keating with illustrations by David DeGrand and published by Alfred A. Knopf Books. Cute as an Axolotl. The axolotl is one of the most adorable creatures around, but don't mistake it for just a cute face. These aquatic salamanders are masters of regeneration. If an axolotl loses a limb trying to escape a predator, it can simply grow it back. Sometimes it will even repair the damaged limb and grow a new one, leaving it with an extra arm or leg. And as if that wasn't awesome enough, it can also regenerate its spine and jaws and parts of its brain. Axolotls are also called Mexican walking fish. They're usually around 9 inches long and can be found near Mexico City. Check out that stylish headgear. See those feathery branches that grow from the sides of the axolotl's head? They're just not for show. They're the axolotl's gills, which helps them breathe. Unlike tadpoles who lose their gills as they mature into frogs, healthy axolotls hang onto their gills for their entire lives. Cute as a quokka. With its perma smile and fuzzy face, the quokka is fast becoming one of the world's best-known cutie pies. Tourists travel for miles just to get a quokka selfie. But is the quokka really smiling? Quokka scientists believe that the wide grin isn't really a smile. It's just the quokka's resting face. But it's still pretty adorable. Quokkas are about 16 to 21 inches tall and can be found in Australia. Quokkas are armed with sharp claws, and they have no problem taking a bite out of humans who get too close. What makes this crab cute? The pom-poms, of course. But you won't see these pom-poms at a football game. They're actually anemones. Each crab holds 2 anemones in its claws, using them to ward off predators. If a hungry fish comes along, then the crab wildly waves and shakes the pom-poms in the air. This scares them off. You can find pom-pom crabs along the coast of East Africa in the Red Sea. Cute as a pygmy hippopotamus. This miniature mammal might look like a pint-sized version of its larger cousin, but the pygmy hippo is a creature all its own. Found in only 4 countries of West Africa, this forest-dwelling, bath-loving animal is nocturnal, spends most of its time noshing on leaves, roots, and fruit. When it does decide to swim, the pygmy hippo closes strong, muscular valves in its nose and ears to keep out water. Cute as a bee fly. It's a bee, it's a fly. No, it's a bee fly. This flying puffball gets its name from its remarkable resemblance to bees, though it's all fly. Its long, needle-like proboscis looks like a stinger, but the bee fly doesn't use it for defense. Instead, it uses it like a straw to suck up flower nectar. making this bee mimic harmless to humans. Bee flies' appearance helps them to avoid predators like frogs and birds. Bee flies are very common and can be found in every continent except Antarctica. Why, you can even find them in Pennsylvania. Cute as a dwarf flying squirrel. What has an adorable face and some epic flight gear? Meet the Japanese dwarf flying squirrel. Despite its name, it can't really fly. Rather, it employs a membrane which stretches between its front paws just like wings, and it allows the squirrel to leap into the air, gliding from tree to tree. And by gliding, this squirrel can cover huge distances in the air. You can run, but you can also hide. The Japanese dwarf flying squirrel is widely considered to be one of the cutest animals in the world. Those large eyes are perfect to help this nocturnal rodent see at night, and its gray-brown fur makes great camouflage against tree trunks. If a predator approaches and the flying squirrel can't glide or scurry away fast enough, it can simply flatten its body against a tree to disappear from view. Cute as a dik-dik. The dik-dik is one of the world's smallest antelopes, standing at just over a foot tall. It makes its home in parts of eastern Africa, where the weather can grow very hot. To stay cool, the dik-dik is armed with a special proboscis, and by panting through this enlarged nose, dik-diks cool off quickly. Curious about that weird name? Well, the dik-dik is named after the squeaky alarm call that females make when disturbed. Don't waste those tears. Some animals mark their territory with urine or scat, that's poop. And dik-diks do too, but they also use their tears, or more specifically a fluid from a gland at the corners of their eyes. By wiping the gland and its fluid over grass and tree leaves near their home, dik-diks tell other dik-diks, "Hey, this is my home." Cute as a minute-leaf chameleon. Measuring at just over an inch long, the minute-leaf chameleon is easy to miss, but hard to forget. It lives only in a small region of Madagascar where it forages in leaf litter for food. In the trees, this chameleon is always looking out for predators. If its branch is shaken or moved, it will drop to the ground like a piece of dead wood and stay still until the threat is gone.
Which animals from the book did you think were the cutest? Do you recognize these two cuties here? The axolotl and the quokka? I think they're kind of cute. Now, there are many more animals for you to discover in this book, so I hope that you'll check it out from the library. Many creatures have developed cute features in order to survive in the wild, from fluffy fur to big round eyes to makeshift pom-poms and elegant feathery gills. Cute adaptations allow these animals to scare off predators, withstand extreme climates, and even breathe underwater. But is there a science to cuteness? Let's take a look at what the author of this book has to say about the science of cuteness and an activity you can do at home.
The science of cute. Have you ever thought about what makes a certain animal cute? Well, believe it or not, cuteness could have a survival strategy. Scientists believe that animals with large eyes and high foreheads, rounded faces, small noses, and plump bodies appear especially cute to us. It's possible we think these traits are cute because we see them in our own human babies. Humans need to take care of their babies for a long time, and some scientists believe that cute babies help us develop a bond with our offspring. Do wild animals see their kids as cute? Well, more research is needed to answer this question. Animators and illustrators think about what's cute every day. They design characters to be as cute as possible, so you will like them more. Try examining animals in this book. Which seemed the cutest to you? What features does it have? What is the least cute animal in the book? Does it surprise you? Or what about your own favorites that didn't make it into the book? What features do they share? Grab a pencil and paper and try drawing your version of a cute animal. You can use the traits that you think are the cutest from the examples on the previous page or from animals that you found in the book. Compare your creation with real-life animals. How do your cute creations differ? Which is the cutest? Can you pinpoint the traits that make you think this way? We are more likely to help cute animals and protect their homes in the wild.
So draw a picture of an animal that you think is super cute, whether it's an animal from the book, an animal that you've seen at the zoo, or maybe an animal that's a little bit closer to home. And think about why you think that animal is so cute. I hope you had fun. I hope you keep exploring, and we'll see you next time. Bye.